something to do. Okay. Well, thank you. And here's something for you. But you see what it says?
Don't open until you're in class.
I know you're not gonna like this, but we have to go. I don't know if Grandma's gonna give you that ball or not. What is this?
The best of
Buster's, right?
No, well, Grandma gave it to.
Oh, I'm sorry, Buster.
It,
Buster, Ella took all your toys.
He doesn't play with it. Thank you for coming.
Come back and visit again. So.
Said I probably never will see you again.
No, we'll make sure we make a trip up here again. No, we're gonna have this. Thank you so much. It was nice getting to visit you.
But you ought to have a word of prayer first.
Oh, yes, please.
You want to pray?
Okay, I'll pray.
You pray.
Okay. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for all that we have, and just pray that you can just for guidance and protection for Grandma each and every day, that you can just bless her every day, and for all that she's done. Thank you for her kind heart, for having us over, and pray that we can make it our way back sometime soon, and that we can just have a safe trip wherever we go as well. And something we pray. It is time to go up, drive north, and do a, what is it, a 3 or 4 day job. Make a little bit of cash before we head out and keep driving, and see where we can boondock for the night, huh? Yep. So let's go, baby boo boo. Cross our fingers. Goodbye, Lancaster. We're gonna miss you. We love it here. It's time to move on. So we are in a town called Moulton, Pennsylvania. It's about 30 miles north of where we were in Lancaster. We are at a public park. This is a like a back roads kind of a town. Just a lot of hills and country landscape, and it's really nice and calm here. But this is where we're gonna park for the night. But I want to check out this payphone over here. I want to see if this payphone works. It's a weird random payphone. Oh, it's actually buzzing. It's actually buzzing. I'm gonna go grab a quarter. I'm gonna go grab a quarter, or it's been so long. Actually, the reality is I'm just walking away because there's somebody walking down the street behind me, and seems like a talkative person, and I don't want to talk to them. I don't want them to know that we're gonna boondock here for the night. Who knows how nosy they are, so I'm just gonna walk away and come back to the payphone later on. It's been a long time since I've used a payphone. I was like 7 years old. What's the... Can you hear that? I'm trying to call my mom. It's not letting me. Hi. Oh, I'm just trying to use a payphone. I haven't seen one in like ages, and I'm trying to call my mom, and it's just sending me to an operator. Oh, okay. So these exist. Where can I find a prepaid card? Oh, yeah, see, I'm way up. Thanks. Oh, attitude. Give me my change back. I guess it only accepts prepaid cards.
Where's the slot for the card, though?
That's a good point. No, maybe it's a number. Like you had to put in the card number in there or something.
Yeah, it's a hand-made pretzel, and it's the hard pretzel.
to sample a hot pretzel out of the oven.
Hard, right?
They're all hard. But no, right now I could get you a hot pretzel out of the oven. You want to try that?
Yeah, I'll try that.
All right. Our pretzel is baked at 600 degrees.
All right, babe, what are we doing here? We're just scanning people away. Like, what are we gonna do today? Predict to check in 13,000 people, just about. I mean, it's a crazy day. Looking up whoever's next in line. I think we processed like 10,000 people, and looking a lot better now.
You guys are leaving and pretend like I'm not famous anymore.
Yeah. So they're gonna light these lanterns up.
That go up together, the better.
13,000 people are gonna light lanterns at one time.
Again, guys, just hold on to them if they're not ready. You want them tugging.
So I had to stop what I was doing, all the cleanup and stuff, because my toe's starting to hurt again. It's frustrating because, you know, we're over here to work and I just can't. And so Carrie's out there with the group of people and they're just, I'm sure they're cleaning up all the fire pits, which is probably like thousands of them. Icing my toe up, I just did that. It started to feel better 2 days ago. Like the day we started working, which is great because that way I can work. 2 days ago I was doing a lot of walking. Yesterday I was doing a lot of walking. And yesterday, like during the evening, I started to feel like my toe like hurt again and stuff. And then this morning I was walking and man, I could just, it's throbbing. But I've been sitting here in the camper and it's almost tempting to just go back out there. I feel bad because, you know, I'm here and I want to be out there. So I'm just debating whether I should just tough it up and then just go out there or just sit in here. And I mean, I could always do other work here, but you know, I gotta upload a YouTube video and do some online work, but yeah, at least Carrie's out there, so I'm just contemplating what to do. But yeah, yesterday was crazy. 13,000 people we checked in. We're out there, you know, on the floor making sure everyone's behaving themselves and just doing other random work. But man, it was fun though, like the lanterns and all that. That was pretty cool. I've never seen anything like that. So yes, today's the last day of cleaning up and then deciding where to go from there. I decided to get back to work, and now it's time to get paid.